Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to save pictures from Instagram app. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Instagram app. After it opens, select a picture which you want to download. Like I am selecting. So here is the pic. What you have to do, only simply tap on these three dots which are at the right top of the picture. After this, simply tap on the first option. Now from here simply tap on this copy link icon. Now the link has been copied. Simply close the Instagram app. Open your mobile phone browser like I am opening. Now search here for Instagram video downloader. Tap on the Instagram video downloader. Now you will see the app Snap Insta. Simply tap on this one. Now from here you can download Instagram Reels, Instagram video and Instagram picture. But for now we are downloading Instagram pictures. Then simply tap on this picture icon. After tapping on the picture icon, simply paste the link of your picture. After pasting, tap on the download icon. So as you see, here is the same picture. Now if you want to download this one, simply tap on download photo. So as you see, it's downloading and the downloading has been finished. Now tap on open. So by this way you can save the Instagram picture to your Android mobile phone.